Hi everybody, it's August 7th, 2020, and we are really excited this week because we have a fantastic listing to show you. This property in the Tapestry neighborhood in Lake Elmo is so exciting to market. It is so fun. It was designed by Ron Brenner Architects, who is an architect right out of Stillwater, but he works all over the Twin Cities. It was built by Main Street Builders, and I'm telling you, it is packed to the gills with detail. It's so beautiful. Make sure you check out the links to the property. Make sure you see the aerial photography was really fun to see because they took a picture of the whole street, and this one just kind of stands out like a jewel. It's so beautiful with its red metal standing seam shed roofs around the property, around the perimeter of the house. You'll see that in the photos. Anyway, lots of detail, quarter sawn oak cabinetry. There's 10-foot ceilings on the main floors, and the doors are 8 feet tall. Just beautiful, beautiful trim. Lots of ceiling detail, so lots of upgrades over and above what you typically see. So check that out. It also has a saltwater pool, so it's just that perfect house that people are looking for that are in this price bracket, and because it's just got everything: home office, lots of room for everybody to spread out, play, to even have people over and feel comfortable with that. So check out the link. We're really excited. We also have a couple more listings coming on that you'll see. One is in Lino Lakes. We just took photos of that. They're looking for a home, so we're waiting to kind of put that together. And I may have a really cute historic home in Stillwater coming up. We're just making an offer on something today, and if that goes through, be watching for that. So anyway, lots of activity in the marketplace. If you'd like anything, if you have any questions, as always, feel free to reach out to us. We're happy to consult with you, and we're just loving what we do here today and every day at Ann Anderson Real Estate. So have a great weekend. We'll see you soon.